Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to install a bidet, sprayer type, not the seat type. Here's what we got: sprayer hose, a diverter valve connection. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off to the toilet. Don't need to flush it, but we're going to go and disconnect the supply line to the toilet. Shouldn't need any tools for this, should be able to do everything here by hand. Get a little bit of water on the floor, go and grab a towel and just get that cleaned up. Now we can start putting the bidet together. So go ahead and take everything out. We just got this thing off of Amazon, pretty cheap. But my wife's been bugging me to get one of these installed on the toilet in the master bedroom, or bathroom. So we're gonna go and get it done. So again, here shouldn't need any tools. Everything has a washer to seal. Go ahead and make sure that's in there before you put it on, and then just be careful about cross threading. Should go on nice and easy, and then just get it as tight as you can by hand. We're going to go and do the same thing for the sprayer side. Make sure it's got the washer on there, which it does. And now we're going to go and just connect that thing. Again, just nice and hand tight as possible. Now we're going to put the diverter valve onto the fill valve connection for the toilet. Washer's on there. Here we go. No need for Teflon tape on this, because these are not the type of threads that seal. It's the washer that's going to do the sealing. So just get it nice and as hand tight as possible, and it should be good to go with no leaks. And again, no need for tools, so that's good. Then we're going to put the supply line onto the diverter valve, and then make sure you don't cross thread. Should go on nice and easy. And then again, just nice and hand tight. You might need to get your other hand in there to make sure the valve doesn't spin. But once you get it nice and tight, you're good to go. Now, we can turn the water on. Alright, just turn it on nice and easy. Make sure everything pressures up. Just kind of give it a quick peek for any little leaks. Everything looks good. And let's turn the diverter valve on. Alright, again, no leaks on the hose. Get all the air out of the line and good to go.